Hi. Welcome to the video presenting the planning and forecasting solution with Kyubit Business Intelligence tools. We are excited to show you the approach to planning and forecasting that offers a clean and user-friendly user interface for the planning users, implements comprehensive planning and forecasting workflow within the organization, and is deeply integrated with existing data sources for interactive data visualizations and analysis. While the platform includes many business intelligence features, the idea is to prepare an easy and effective planning and forecasting process that will run smoothly within the organization, where plan participants use only a web browser and Excel-like user interface to prepare planning and forecasting data. Also, the plan versus actual values are quickly utilized on many dashboard visualizations and analytics to monitor and answer various business questions. Within the planning and forecasting solution, there could be many plans related to different organizational aspects. Typically, related to the sales forecast, production, healthcare, expenses, and other financial or productivity measures. The plan owner decides if the plan will be private or shared with other users. The basis for the planning process is to configure the data source that will be used to discover actual data for plan dimensions. By configuring the data source, our plan values will always match the actual values to compare with. Optionally, if the plan includes the participants, they are assigned tasks of providing plan values for individual plan dimension items related to participant responsibilities in the organization. Providing the plan values presents a central set of planning and forecasting features, where special attention and focus are given to many handy planning-related features that should make providing plan values easily as possible. Because providing plan values often requires the input of many values related to the plan dimensions, the solution includes the grid with cells where input and actions are similar to the Excel usage experience. The planning grid is organized with primary plan dimension items displayed as rows, product groups in this example, and the plan time elements displayed as columns, months in this example. The optional third context dimension is displayed as a drop-down list, country in this example. So, we plan the sales of our product groups per month, and also per country for the next year. Quickly moving across the cells with arrow keys or mouse clicks, copy/pasting the range of cells, fill down and fill right are some of the useful options. The great feature is that the user providing the plan values can enable the view of the actual values from the previous period, which will certainly be resourceful while planning the next period's values. The same actual values from the previous period could be used as a starting point while preparing the plan with one click. The user can provide the totals per dimension items, where cells would be automatically calculated. The plan owner has complete insights into the plan's various aspects. On the plan home page, currently provided plan values are immediately visible as they are provided. The plan history tracks every action on the plan done by any user. If the plan includes the participants, the plan owner quickly sees each participant's assignment status. If the plan includes the participants with assignments to provide plan values, each participant has to mark his input completed. When all participants complete their tasks, the plan owner receives an email that the plan is ready for finalization. The plan finalization is the final step in preparing our plan. Finalizing the plan means a couple of things. First, this plan version is final, there could be no more changes to the plan, only a new version of the plan is possible. Second, and most important, the plan input values are used in the process of distributing and aggregating the values across dimension levels. For example, if the plan values are provided in the form of products and months, after the finalization step, they will also be available in the form of quarters, days, and product categories or subcategories, if dimensions levels configured for planning consist of the level hierarchy. Finally, the plan is ready to be used on dashboards and monitor plan values versus actual values by all authorized users. The plan home page could always be used to see plan versus actual values, but a more convenient way is to monitor them on the dashboards, as there would be more analytic and visualization features related to plan versus actuals data. First, when connecting the chart with the plan versus actuals data, it is possible to see total plan versus total actual values. Now, we can select any of the related plan dimension levels to subdivide plan versus actuals data for one of the aspects we are interested to observe. Typically, time-related subdivision view is often So, we will have a look at the plan versus actuals per month or quarter, but also days or semesters. However, we can always use other plan dimension levels, and get the subdivision view per product category, country, or any other dimension level we have related to the plan. In this example, we create a dashboard that is looking at the single plan from various aspects. The great thing about analyzing the plan values on the dashboard is to slice the data for a particular interest. For example, we have plan versus actual data for the plan sales per month, but we can quickly slice this view with a particular plan dimension level member, such as a product category, or a country in our sample plan. This way we see data per month for the clothing product category, or the sales in Australia. Even without adding the dashboard filter, it is easy to slice plan data with a simple click on the chart value in one chart, for other plan charts to be automatically sliced with the selection. Combining the plan dimension level subdivisions on the charts, and slicing with a particular plan dimension level member, there are countless possibilities the plan's success could be monitored in various aspects. For a more precise view of the plan versus actual values, it is best to use the table chart. For a start, the table chart will display delta difference values between the plan and actual values in the form of the pure difference, and difference percent compared to the planned value. Furthermore, the table chart has the option to display expanded, drilled down data, by setting two chart category subdivision dimension levels. Also, the table chart includes a success icon that is related to the plan success tolerance value defined within the plan configuration data. The most convenient view of plan versus actual values is done by using the combo chart. The combo chart is a chart that compares two data sets that have the same chart category items. The combo chart nicely illustrates the success for each of the plan months, with plan versus actual difference rendered for each month. The cumulative display of the difference on the combo chart even better illustrates the plan success dynamic of the plan through the year. We see that the plan was unsuccessful in the first part of the year, but the second part leads to the overall plan's success. The prepared plan is a huge resource from which various KPIs could be extracted. The KPI shows plan versus actual data only up to this day, and visualizes the success of the plan so far. For a start, the complete plan values versus actual values status is the KPI for itself. In our sample plan, it would be internet sales amount plan versus internet sales amount actual values. However, numerous certain aspect-related KPIs could be quickly utilized on a plan basis, such as KPIs for the product group, country, or similar. The KPI can also be visualized as a goal meter or gauge visualization that visually indicates how far the plan is from the fail or success thresholds. If there is a conclusion that circumstances have changed and plan values needs revision, it is possible to create a new version of the plan. Updating plan values for the new version will start with old, previous inputs that are provided in the previous planning stage. The planning and forecasting solution is designed to bring new quality into any organization's planning abilities. In the video description, you can download Kyubit Planning and Forecasting User Manual documentation for more detailed examples and usage tips. We also invite you to visit our planning and forecasting section on our website www.kyubit.com and download a free evaluation of Kyubit Business Intelligence software. We welcome hearing your feedback. Thank you for watching the Planning and Forecasting Introduction video.